another beautiful day in Jamaica. We have everybody here. We just came to Margaritaville, so we're hanging out here. And then we have this water park here. Well, not a water park, but they have a water slide and some stuff to jump on. But we might come back on another day just to do the water things. But we're gonna hang out and go shopping and check out some of the area in town. Super excited, so let's get this day started. Alright, you have to get a margarita when you're in Margaritaville. So I got the fins to the left, and Amanda got one too. You get these souvenir cups if you want to. So she got, what did you get? This one? Dad, stop scowling in the background. They look cute. They say Margaritaville, Jamaica. It's 5 o'clock somewhere is their theme, like their clock over there. All the clocks say 5 o'clock. Awesome. How's yours?
It's awesome.
Oh, good.
Love it.
Thank you.
There you go. He's got a blender one.
Mama's about to eat.
Mama? Oh my goodness. Alright, we got this giant platter. It looks so good. What can get any better? View and lunch? Okay, we just finished up lunch in Margaritaville. That was so much fun. We were just dancing with all the people. Now we're walking around the shops, looking for souvenirs, dancing in the store still. Oh my goodness, there's so much to see. Just finishing walking around the shops. Also, I forgot to say, Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. It's Christmas Eve right now, which is insane to think about that I'm in Jamaica on Christmas Eve. But I am loving it. Trying to find a dress. I haven't found one yet, but I might come back on another day. But there's so many like clubs and stuff down here. If you guys are into that, they are all about that here. So it's pretty interesting. And as you can see, they drive on the opposite side of the road, at least as America. Ooh, this is a clothing store we found. I really want to find a dress, like I said. Ooh, fancy! So we found dresses. I'm super excited. You guys will have to wait and see in another video. And my haul. I'm going to be making a haul of everything I bought in Jamaica, so stay tuned for that as well. Okay, we made it back to the resort, and now there's actually a market going on in here. So we're gonna stop and look at all the little shops and the little things that they have. Look at all of these things. I don't even know if you can tell from the lighting, but oh, there we go. So cool. Everything is handcrafted. Ooh, Harley Davidson. My motorcycle. Alright, we came down to the pool to swim a little bit before dinner. We have a big Christmas Eve dinner that they're setting up here. They're gonna have live music, and we have a table over there somewhere. And we're gonna have a dinner and a show, essentially. We're just gonna hang out by the pool for a little bit. It is looking like it's gonna storm, so hopefully it doesn't do that. entertainment was canceled because it is raining. So we're moving to another place. Appetizers came. I got a Greek flatbread, but look how tiny it is. Like, it's literally smaller than my hand. So it is something to think about if you guys come here. Because, well, you have abnormally large hands. That doesn't count. Okay, I got the cocoa van, and look at this cute little spiral of mashed potatoes. What'd you get?
I got the service.
Ooh, yum.
Look at that.
Look at all this. Oh, you got the same thing?
I did.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, time to eat. And finally, some dessert. We got some lemon meringue with chocolate ice cream. I am so excited. From dinner, we have our food babies all ready to go. That was pretty good. This is our outfits we had tonight. This is one of the dresses that she got earlier today at the shops. Anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow morning.